For a local business owner, thoughts of the massive rainstorm that hit parts of southeast Michigan on June 25th of 2021 still feel like a nightmare.
I've been at Everheighton since 1980, and we've experienced multiple rainstorms, snowstorms. I mean, tremendous. There was nothing like this.
The damage at two of his funeral homes, one in Grosse Pointe Park and another one in southwest Detroit, still haunt him 2 years later.
Our Grosse Pointe Park location is completely underground, and that was catastrophic.
But a class action lawsuit filed by Vin Johnson Law on behalf of property owners like Brian Joseph was dismissed in March, primarily because of governmental immunity.
We then filed a motion for reconsideration, which is still pending. Once the judge rules on that, most of those, frankly, are denied. Once that's denied, we will take an appeal to the Michigan Court of Appeals.
The lawsuit is against a number of parties, including DWSD and Great Lakes Water Authority. It states that in June of 2021, two Great Lakes Water Authority pump stations did not work properly during heavy rains, which led to massive flooding. And despite all the damage, no one is being held accountable.
That's why we're going to keep fighting. We want our day in court with the evidence, however long that takes us.
The persistent wait comes as victims are still working to recover with little help from insurance companies.
We had $25,000 for each location. We had a business to run, and we had to go back to the bank to get $1 million loan.
Many homeowners still dealing with the impact of the flooding as they try to restore their basements.
We've spent about $150,000 so far of our own money.
Now, when a major rainfall is in the forecast, this homeowner says it's hard to trust that the system will work. You cringe when that
Yes, every time it rains.
Fox 2 reached out to defendants in the case. Great Lakes Water Authority sent a statement which reads in part that an independent investigative team concluded that, quote, heavy and historic rainfalls exceeded the design capacity of the regional wastewater system, making surface flooding and basement backups inevitable. DWSD also reacting, stating it was pleased the judge dismissed the class action lawsuits. In a statement, DWSD goes on to say the judge's decision, quote, allows us to focus our attention on continuing to build capacity in the combined sewer system and reduce weather-related basement backups in our city. We anticipate the appeal filed by the plaintiffs will have a similar outcome. The victims in this case say despite the actions of the court, they still hope to be victorious.
If the courts want to play their game, that's okay. Go ahead and play it. But I'm optimistic and I'm very confident.
In Detroit, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.